Lifestyle medicine is changing our behaviors to prevent, treat, and even reverse chronic health conditions. Lifestyle medicine has 7 core areas where we can think about improving our health habits: nutrition, sleep, physical activity, supportive relationships, stress management, mental health support, and spending time in nature. We're going to talk a little more about the short and the long-term health benefits of getting outside in nature. There are many health benefits to spending time in nature for both our physical and our mental health. Increased feelings of happiness, decreased amounts of stress, and improved quality of sleep are just a few. Research shows that our environments can increase or reduce the stress which impacts our bodies. Think right now about the environments that cause you a lot of stress versus the environments that make you feel calm. Scientists have found that just by spending a total of 2 hours a week outside in nature, we can increase our overall feeling of good health. This feeling of increased good health is also matched with a decrease in our levels of cortisol or stress hormones. Other research studies have shown that time in nature can also lead to reduced feelings of isolation and improved mood in individuals who have more serious mental health disorders. The really great news is that while 2 hours may seem like a lot of time to spend outside, research has shown that the effect on the body is exactly the same whether you spend 2 hours outside in nature all at once, or if you break it up into just a few smaller moments here and there throughout your week. Spending time in nature exposes us to sunlight, which also has effects on our body, physically and mentally. When we expose ourselves to sunlight, our brains release a chemical called serotonin, which is associated with boosting your mood, increasing your focus, and increasing your feelings of calmness. The presence of serotonin in our bodies can also help to produce another chemical called melatonin when the sun begins to go down. Melatonin is an important chemical in our sleep versus wake cycle. Research shows that melatonin helps us get quality sleep at night. You can check out our video on sleep to learn more about why and how sleep is so important for our health. Did you know that spending time outside can also help to lower your blood pressure? Spending time outside, whether that be taking a leisurely walk or even just looking at trees for a few minutes, decreases the amount of stress hormones like adrenaline and cortisol that can increase our blood pressure. Spending time in nature doesn't have to be a chore. There are lots of small ways we can implement more nature time into our daily schedules. Try doing regular activities like checking emails, making phone calls outside. You can also go to local outdoor spaces like parks and read a book, or maybe try eating one of your meals outside, whether it's at work or at home. Spending time outside doesn't have to include cardiovascular exercise. We can still receive benefits of time spent in nature just by sitting outside or engaging in activities like gardening. Remember, when spending time outside in nature, it's important to wear sun protection, a hat, SPF, and to make sure you're drinking lots of water. The possibilities are really endless when it comes to different ways that we can enjoy our time in nature. One great way to practice being mindful in nature can be a rainbow walk. Let's walk through this activity together right now. You can go outside and begin walking at your own pace. While we walk, we are going to pay attention using all of our senses. So take your time and try not to rush. What do you hear? What do you feel? What do you smell? While walking, we are going to create a rainbow. Try to look all around you to find an object that is red, an object that is orange, an object that is yellow, an object that is green, an object that is blue, and an object that is purple. Make sure you look side to side, up and down, looking for small details and big details. Once you've found your 6 different colored objects and completed your rainbow, pause and take a moment to observe your breathing and your heart rate. Are they fast or slow? Deep or shallow? This rainbow walk activity is easy to do in a short amount of time, lots of fun for people of all different ages, and a great way to start getting the health benefits of time in nature built into your day.